How to change slide to answer to accept or decline on iPhone call. Now, there are no specific way on how to change these, but these two options depends on how your phone is opened. So, iPhone shows you two different screens, either slide to answer or accept or decline. Now, when you lock your phone, Apple assumes that the phone is inside your pocket. So, to make it harder to pick up a call, the slide to answer will appear on your screen. The reason behind this is that Apple wants to prevent accidentally answered calls. Now, if you want to decline the call, you can just press the power button twice and the call will be declined. Now, the answer and declined option shows when you receive a call while using the iPhone device, meaning it's unlocked and it's easier to choose between the accept and decline the call. So that is how to change slide to answer to accept or decline on iPhone call. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.